The government of Meghalaya has initiated a major push to strengthen consumer protection under the Legal Metrology Department. Chairing a comprehensive review meeting today, Minister Shullai directed the department to submit a detailed 60-day status report and begin immediate field inspections across petrol pumps, weigh bridges, and commercial establishments. The government noted a long-standing manpower shortage with only 13 inspectors serving in the entire state and instructed senior officials to work out enhance district-wide staffing to improve enforcement. Meanwhile, Additional Secretary A. Niklas said the renewed drive will ensure consumers receive accurate quantities and are protected from long-standing irregularities. The minister also appealed to the public to report violations, assuring prompt action. The government emphasized that the department will now operate with greater urgency and accountability to safeguard citizens' rights.
This is the first review. This will be the second review meeting, right? Which we had along with all the officer of the Legal Metrology Department to revamp and to review the functioning of the department. So, first of all, the requirement of the department is, you see, in the entire state of Meghalaya, we are having only 15.
13.
Only 13.
13 inspectors.
13 inspectors in the entire state. So there was so we have discussed to enhance the structure of the staff. So we have to leave it to the wisdom of our chief controller of the department and the director with the consent to examine, and we will place it next in the meeting. We approve and send it to the government. So how many required in district headquarter wise, we have suggested maybe in place of one assistant, another 8 up to 10 district headquarter wise. So now, as per the report, this is very important department in connection with day-to-day life of the people at large, especially in the be it the cement or the petrol or the diesel or the eatable items that the people are buying. So when we ask from the department, since the inception of our state 1972, how many cases has been penalized? How many cases has been detected? Have you penalized? How many of them? But the report is very negative. So that's why we have decided, and we are giving the department 60 day time to submit the status report. 60 days time, the status report. So other things which we have discussed is that the officer in the field, the inspector in the field, they should be very sincere, and from tomorrow they should go and check at their level. We do consultation with the controller of Metrology and the director. We do consultation, so they have to go. And the chief controller, I have entrusted her and director of the department from which trade shall they start. Maybe they will start from the petrol pump, then after that the weight bridge, and other trade, subsequently other trade. So all these things they have to submit the report within 60 days. There are only few. Whereas we know based on the public complaint, we know that in the entire state, if they are sincere, if the officer, I have given even an example that one Hindi movie acted by Anil Kapoor, one day chief minister. One day chief minister. See what happened if you watch this film. within one day, he have cancelled thousand and thousand of, and he have even suspended his officer, then and there, in the spot. So that's why I have given the encouragement, and I have appealed. We have appealed to them also to be sincere, and from tomorrow they have to walk in the field. That's what we are very surprised to know that as per the record, since the inception of our state, they have not detected any. Maybe they have not gone to the field sincerely to check all these illegalities. Hopefully that based on the meeting which we had today, but from tomorrow I have even appealed to them to work sincerely and to see that the general public shouldn't be
defrauded.
uh,
Maybe the importance of the department had not really sunk in, because this deals with inaccurate. It's the right of every consumer to get what they paid for. If I paid for 1 kg, I should get 1 kg,
1 kg.
nothing less. That is the job of this department. Actually, it's a huge job, and it actually should be protecting everybody's interests, especially the ones at the lower income group, because they are the ones who are impacted the most. If they earn 150 and they're paying 50 rupees extra for every item because they have to buy it 2 times, 3 times, because they're not getting 1 kg. So why this has taken some time, I don't know.
Ma'am, do you feel that there is also a need to create massive awareness among the people about all these maintenance requirements and other things?
Yeah, that also we have discussed. That's why we are inviting all of you from the printing press and the electronic media also, that it should go to the knowledge of all the traders and also especially the general public as to create awareness to the general public also, that they should know that this department is working for that. So we appeal to the general public that they should not hesitate to file a complaint to the inspector, to the nearest police station, and especially to us, even to me as a minister. Also, the complete action will be taken in and there, and as per the law, the action will be taken. It will create awareness because nobody, because for the last since the inception of the state, they don't go. I mean, like in a sincere manner to check. So the general public also, they go buy from 1 kg as told by our chief controller, additional secretary. If you buy 1 kg, you pay 1 kg of rice. You pay the 100 rupees, but but if you remeasure it in your friend house, you are getting less. Maybe 20% less. So this is happening. But until unless we create awareness, the people will not know about that we have the power. The government have the power through this department to check all these illegalities.
In the past, awareness was done, I'm told, from time to time, but then it was not sustained.
What I have said earlier, maybe in place of 1 in 1 district, we may enhance to 10 in 1 district.
May not, depending upon the act,
right.
Because it's also, we also function under the act. Whether the act allows for more than 1, yes, no. If yes, what to do? If no, what else to do? Perhaps it may not be at that level, it may be at another level, but certainly to help the person in charge of the district to carry on this work, because this impacts them. And they have other duties to attend to also. As district heads, they are called for election duty, they are called for VIP duty, they are called for everything. They are called for meetings every time. That also cuts into their working period. These are things that we...
Since you are having only 15, right?
13.
Only 31 3.
Ma'am, just to understand, in terms of manpower, how much are we talking about per district? I mean, according to you, this is a rough estimate.
No, it should be 1 inspector per district minimum. To confess, I've not really gone through everything of the act that allows us or not to have more than one inspector per district. I must confess, I've not really gone into that. Certainly one inspector per district. So if the Act allows maybe more than that, and it's a central Act, the Act does not allow perhaps some other posts that can assist, perhaps. But certainly, like the Minister said, something has to be done, because for every person out there, there's so many people. If every person is defrauded of 10 rupees per day, you calculate that in terms of the population of the entire state.